Bitcoin is below the Ichimoku Cloud.
One cloud, and suddenly everyone becomes a weather expert.
Exactly. The chart moves under the cloud, and the internet asks, is it over? But that is the wrong question. The cloud is not magic. It is not a verdict. It is a map of market structure.
And that map says Bitcoin is no longer on a clear highway. It is on a foggy mountain road. The market has to slow down and prove it still knows where it is going.
I still do not want to call this broken just because price is below the cloud. A breakdown without follow-through can become a failed breakdown.
True. But below the cloud, the burden of proof changes. The bullish case is no longer assumed. It has to present evidence.
That is the courtroom. Above the cloud, Bitcoin often gets the benefit of the doubt. Inside the cloud, the market is negotiating. Below the cloud, Bitcoin is on trial.
And the defense still has a case. If Bitcoin can push back into the cloud and hold the retest, the message is simple. The breakdown did not get confirmation.
But if Bitcoin reaches back toward the cloud and gets rejected, that is different. A weak bounce below resistance is not strength. It is the market checking whether buyers are still there.
This is why the retest matters more than the first break. The first move tells you price crossed a line. The retest tells you whether the market respects that line now.
I am watching whether buyers can turn the cloud back into a contested area.
And I am watching whether every rally stops in the same place. That is the quiet danger. Bitcoin looks stable. It bounces a little. People relax. Then it fails under the same resistance zone again. Suddenly, the market has not crashed, but the structure has been hollowed out.
That is a grim way to say bad retest.
Bad retests deserve grim language.
So below the cloud does not mean the market must fall. It means optimism alone is no longer enough.
The bullish case needs visible strength. Reclaim the cloud. Hold the retest. Show follow-through.
And the risk case is simple. If every recovery attempt fails below the same zone, the cloud starts looking less like support and more like a ceiling.
So no magic. No prophecy. No cloud says doom. Just structure, retest, confirmation.
The bullish side says, this is only a temporary break.
The risk side says, fine. Then show the recovery. Reclaim the cloud. Hold the retest. Prove liquidity is still there.
That is what Bitcoin below the Ichimoku Cloud actually means. Not a verdict. A shift in the burden of proof. Is this a failed breakdown forming, or is the market showing structural damage? Drop your view in the comments, and follow Market Validation Lab on X at @MVL_lab for the real-time market notes behind each episode.